Lovies, join me for a Burlington coat factory walkthrough. Oh, this so cute. Let me get this one. It doesn't have a name, but it's so cute. And this one is for $19.99, so just $20, guys. It is so cute. Let me open it, let you see inside of it. Oh my gosh. And it comes with a little strap so you can throw it across you. I absolutely love this one. It's so adorable for only $20. This is a steal. So cute. Oh my gosh, I love this one. This is a guess, and this one is so cute too, guys. Oh my gosh, I love this one. And it's only $39.99. Like, oh my gosh, this is so cute. I love this one. This is so cute. There's no, and wow, this is so cute. This is a super cute Calvin Klein purse. The original price was $188. It's currently $69.99. I love the fact that you can either carry it like this in your hand, or you can use it as a crossbody bag. It is super cute. I'm gonna take it off. And then there is this one for the same price, $6.99. And I can't see the original cost, but it's a 2-in-1. You have this piece, and then you have the little wristlet. It's super cute and deep inside. Now you have this cute DKNY purse. Let's see the cost of it. $49.99, and the original cost was $248. This is a steal, guys. It is so cute. I feel like getting this. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. I love that one. I want that one. And then I don't know what brand this one is, but this one is $24.99. And I don't see where the original cost was, but that one is cute. Oh, I love this Calvin Klein one. This one is $59.99, and the original cost was $150. They're super cute. Oh, here is a guest bag, and it comes with a little thing right here for your cards. It's so cute. And this one is for only $44.99, and the original cost, I don't see any comparable cost on this one, but it's so cute. And I love all the different compartments in it. I love this one. And here's another one. Okay, this is the same one as the previous one. And here is a 9 West, and this one is a cost. I don't see the price for this one. I don't see the price on that one, but it's so cute. And if you're into bags, here's a 9 West little backpack for $24.99. That's cute. Oh, the price for this one is $240, and it's on sale for $49.99. Super cute DKNY. And I love that it has a little thing right there so you can throw it across you. It's super cute. Now here's this baby one. I think it's baby, and you have the little card holder right there. And this one is only $24.99. And it also comes with a strap. You can carry it around carry it as a cross bag, and this is what it looks like. This is so cute. I love this one. I love this. This is so cute. Some mini backpacks. This is also another cute one, and I love this one. This little bag right here is just for $14.99, so $15. And this one, I don't see a price for this one, but it's so cute, guys. They are so cute and the quality is amazing. And this one is for $24.99 and it's a 9 waist and the original cost, I don't see the original cost, but it's cute. It's a little crossbody bag. And the material, oh my gosh, I mean, materials are amazing. I also spot this cute one, guys. This is so cute. And this is only $18. Only $18. Amazing. Tons of options to choose from, but I'm going to go to the shoes aisle and see what we can see in the shoes. Oh my gosh, I'm about to lose my mind in here. This is for $44.99. I'm about to lose my mind. Oh, and this DKNY, this looks like a L type bag. It's only $44.99, guys. Only $44.99. It's perfect, cute. And here you have some glasses. This one is $9.99. This is super cute. I don't see no price on that, but this one is also $9.99. I gotta come over here and get me some of these little sunglasses. Oh, I love this one. This Martha Stewart. Let's see the price for this. $12.99. It was $22. It's now $12.99. And I love this one. This is so cute. I said I was going to the shoe section, but this one caught my eye. This one is only $16.99. Oh my gosh, I love this. And it gets a little card thing right there. And then what it look like? Oh, this is nice. This is so nice. I'm not a bag person, but I feel like I'm about to start getting dressed. And look how cute. $17.99. And this one is only $29.99. And if you're a backpack person, here's a backpack for $24.99. And I'm not gonna lie, guys, the material, the feel of it is so good. They like feel so soft, great quality material, and they can hold a ton of stuff and they will hold up. This little thing right here is for $12.99. And the comparable value is $19. This is so cute. This is a cute pair of shoes for only $18.99. It is so adorable. I love it. I have this same one and it's so comfortable. It's cute. This is a GBG and it's actually on clearance for $19.99. The original cost was $24.99. Let me show you guys what it looks like. It is so cute and it feels so good. It actually feels heavy. It has a nice weight to it, but this will be perfect for your daughter back to school. You can go back to school in style, or for yourself. The price. Oh, and this is cute too. This one is $24.99 and the comparable value is $50. So cute. Perfect for work. A day at the office. I wanted to show you guys every single thing in here, but I just couldn't because the store is big and it was a lot and everything is just so cute. But if you guys enjoy videos like this and want to see more, definitely give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below and subscribe if you haven't yet. They have these winter boots out. I think I have a pair of these, but I got mine off Amazon. This one is $29.99. It's currently on sale. They blocked the price out, but this is a deal. And you have these cute boots too for $24.99. This lower price. And this is the brand. I've never heard of them before, but the boots is cute. And these are just adorable. It's just $19.99 and the original value was $40. And these are cute. I wish they had them in my size. It's but another boot that's on clearance, and this one is only $8.99. It was $14.99, but it's only $8.99. Come on guys, it's almost fall. You should definitely come and snag this. and they even marked it on lower. It's now $17.19. So definitely coming at this boost for under $8. They have these cute makeup bags for $6.99, and the comparable price is $12. So that's cute, and I love this one. That one is so cute. And here is a huge one. This one is a guest, and the price is $24.99. The comparable price is $36. It is so cute. And here is a set of two. It's cute little butterfly design. And this one is only $12.99. Comparable price is $25. So these are really cute. You even have these big ones right here. This is only $8.99. I think this is a lunch bag, but this is so cute. That's what I have on. Juicy Couture, and this one is for $14.99. The comparable price is $30. Juicy Couture. So cute. Oh my lord, guys, this is so cute. It's a little tiny embroidery pillows. I love fall. Let me see. The price is $12.99, and the comparable price is $25. It is so cute. I love this one. And this one says bless. Let's see. And this one is for $16.99, and the comparable price is $30. It's so cute. And this is a set of two luxury home pillows. I can see the price. Oh, this one is on sale, guys. This one is on clearance, was $16.99. I can't see what the original cost of it was, but it's on sale for $16.99. You get two pillows, and this one is for $12.99. It's a cute one, and it's by GGS Home. And this one, it just said happy. It just says happy, but it has the pumpkins on it, and it's for $14.99. The original cost was $30. So these are super cute. You have some throw blankets. Now these feel super soft. Yeah, it's plush, so it feels so soft. It's currently on sale for $9.99, and the original cost was $15. And it's just plaid with pumpkins, really cute prints. You have this one is also cute. I love this one. I'm coming back for this one. Also $9.99, super cute. You have the different prints. Autumn warm. I love this one too. I need them all. Oh my gosh, $9.99. So they're all for $9.99. They're super cute. And if you just want solid tone ones, this one is also $9.99. It's just pink, and they feel so good, guys. They're all currently $9.99. That is such a steal. You have this too right here for $20. Well, it's $19.99, but they are so cute and feel so good. I would love to hear from you guys. Have you guys already started shopping for fall, and what's your favorite store to shop at? These are also $9.99, guys. Oh, this one is so cute. Yeah. And this one is for $12.99. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. This one is for $9.99. Oh my gosh, the prints are so cute. Oh, I love this one with the black and gold, and they're velvet, and they're plush. They're so cute. There's just so much to choose from. Oh, what's the price of this? I think this is a soap dish. $6.99, or it might be a butter dish. I don't know what it is, but it is cute. $9.99. This one is $6.99. Oh, and I love these candles. They smell so good. What's, I don't know what's, oh, this one is $7.99. You can't open it. Guys, I wish you guys could smell these things. They smell so good. Oh, this is cute. This one lights up. It's for $7.99, and you can turn on the switch and it glows. And oh, this one is for $16.99. I love this. This is so cute. Little ghost on top, and then the jack-o'-lantern. Right here is for $12.99. And I need one of these vases. Let me see what's the cost for this. This one is $11.99. I love this. I wish it was like a stone color. Oh, this is really cute. This one is $9.99. Oh, I'm coming back for this one. I love this. The black one right there. This is for $6.99. I don't know what this is. I'm not sure what that is, but it's cute. Yes, hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Love y'all.